Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So in today's lesson, I will teach you on how to back up our file server to another location, like to Windows Server, to the secondary controller, and also to the Windows 10. So this is based on your budget. So in this lesson, I would like to back up my file server, okay, to the another machine that is store this backup server in my DC2. Okay, so here is the scenario. Now to backup file server, there are many ways that we can do. We can use the built-in tool provided by Microsoft, or it have another application like Verita, Vim Backup, or Synback Pro, and another software that we can do. And now we need to enable the backup service first. I add role and feature. I go to next. Okay, next. I find the role and service backup. Backup. Okay. Itu window backup should be downstairs. Okay, Windows Server backup here. Then we click next. Okay, this one is required to restart, so I don't restart it. Install. So now the service of backup is installed. It's not take much time for this installations, so we can wait until it finish everyone. Okay, after finish, we click close, and then we go to tool. We find the backup. Close this one. This one, if we don't see, you have to read the message because it also requires us to restart when we install the service. Now we point again. If we refresh and cannot see, it is already required to restart our service. Okay, here you can see at the back, at the down one, and here is the our backup. Okay, so after the service is installed, we go to our backup, and then it have like a backup schedule and backup one. So if talking about the backup one, mean we do only one time. Okay, or you can read this module. Now I can set it, I can schedule it. Okay, better schedule. I click next, and then they will ask you what type of configuration do you want to schedule. This one, full server, mean we want to back up all server data, application, and data system. So this one is backup all. Okay, full server. And then custom, this one we will choose by ourselves. Like we don't want to backup operating system, we just want to backup file server, so we can choose this one. Okay, I choose custom. Okay, and then we can add item here. Okay, this one will ask you where you want to backup. Select item for backup. You see it have Hyper-V, it have my file server. So now I go to see where I store my file server. Okay, I store my file server. For example, I store here. Okay, like finance, so I store in E drive. Okay, it drive name the Msolved, so I can backup this file, D drive and Msolved. Okay, I backup this one, this file server. Click OK, and then we click next. Then this one they will ask you select when you backup the schedule and choose the time, or you can choose here. Okay, you can also add another time. For example, at 1 a.m. here. So in this hour they will backup. Okay, now we click next. Okay, this one they will specify the destination that we want to backup our file server. You backup to your Windows 11, Windows 10, or to NAS, or to QNAP, or in this local machine. So in here, I will backup to share network folder. I click next. Okay, and then I need to specify where is my destination that I want to backup. So here I'm going to my window, another window. You see this IP address 0.11. Okay, I'm going to backup in drive or in here. I can also share this one, share this folder. Okay, I can share this folder, or we can create only one folder to store the backup file. So I will create only the folder. Okay, I will create the folder name backup. Refresh. Okay, and I click and share. Share here, share permission. I remove everyone and I add administrator. Mean that I share only to administrator. Okay, touch IT that's administrator. So full permission for this one. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay, so here is my share file. So I go back to my here, so I can paste here. Okay, DC2, or you can try 168 100 111. Okay. Okay, so it will be shared over here. You can also copy or specify over here. Okay, you can specify the network, the IP address, or the name. It doesn't have any problem. So I specify here is the same. I click next, and then it requires the administrator password. So I protect IT slash administrator, and then I put my password. Okay. Now it is still reserve backup. The cryptography incorrect, or take account that doesn't have right permission. Okay. it.com/administrator. Okay, it.com. Credential area. Okay, we see. So I check my permission again. Okay, backup, protect, sharing, permission. Oh, this one I need to add the administrator of my domain. Add administrator. Okay, and take IT. Administrator. Add administrator. Okay, check. Okay, fine. The user. I will find from here. Built in. Cancel. IT. administrator. Okay, administrator. Take IT administrator. Yeah, correct. Mm. Again. Okay, let's see again, everyone. Mm. I'll put on the administrator. The credential enter are either incorrect or maybe is correct for an account that doesn't have read permission to share for the specified users name for that have access to share for the. Okay, I will check the permission again. Okay, I paste here. Or I will try to share through the IP. Okay. Okay, everyone. I will check the permission. I will check the permission whether it's. Oh, I forget. My administrator is IT administrator. Okay, IT administrator because this user, the default user, I have already changed in the previous lessons. So this one should be correct. Okay, I change to this user IT administrator everyone. Okay, yeah. Okay, now this one already run. We click finish. Now the setter is creating backup. This said you have successfully created backup schedule. Your first backup schedule will happen at in March 17 at 9 p.m. But for this test, I don't want it to run at 9 p.m. I want to run it now. Okay, I want to run it now. Now to verify, I'm going to create more folder here. Okay, I will create like test 3, okay, test 2, okay, like this, okay, in this one. Okay, now I go to task manager, task scheduler to enforce it to run. Okay, I go here, I go to Microsoft, I go to Windows, I find backup here. Okay, here is what we schedule. Now I want to, you can right double click, picture action, setting. I will allow tasks to be run on demand. Click OK. And then it put the password of my Active Directory. Okay. Yeah. So now our backup is starting. Okay. You can stick run. Okay. So it's running. This one take about to like until 10 minutes because that we need to backup in some file. Okay. Okay, and then we close this time lecture. We go to our backup. Okay, they said successfully backup. Here you see the status. I just backup here. Success at description is success. So let's test together, everyone. Now I will delete this folder here, this folder. Okay, I delete it. Okay, so when we recover, we go to backup, and then you go to your recover, and then the server. Okay, the server, and then this one they ask you on what time you want to uh, restore your file, or on which date you choose here. So I choose today, and then I will choose file and folder. Okay, okay, which location, select where you want to recover. Okay, I want to recover here. Okay, recover here. You see, if you go to my server here, my file server here, okay, the folder like test2, test3 I already deleted, but when you go to backup it will show here. Okay, I will recover all. Next, and this one they will ask you to select the destination that you want to restore. You can choose another location and browse to restore it, or you keep it in original location. So I will keep in my original location. Next, and then they will ask you, here are the item that we are going to recover. Okay, recover. Okay, so I recover all for this one to test for you. Okay, so the folder is coming and the status is shown completed, close. Okay, and when you go here, it also show file recovery successfully. This one at the time that you backup. Now I go back. Okay, I go back to my folder. You see, uh, this folder is back. Okay, this folder is back, and now let's go to our backup server, our backup machine. Okay, I will go to my backup machine here. Okay, so when you go to your backup machine, this one you cannot read all the file because the file are in image. You cannot read. But what I just want to say is when you perform backup, it will create this one for you, window image backup, and inside it will have the file that you cannot read. But the file we use it to recover as I just did for you, this one. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this lesson useful. If you have any question, you can drop the question below. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.